What if you stopped working and let AI run your entire online business for 30 days? No manual writing, no content creation, no replying to clients, just AI doing everything. Well, that's exactly what I did. For the next 30 days, I let AI tools handle content creation, marketing, idea generation, and even parts of sales. And what happened shocked me. In this video, I'm going to break it down. What worked, what completely failed, and whether AI can actually make you money without you doing much. Let's get into it. Welcome to Baba Ken Academy. On this channel, I show you real ways to use AI, tech, and digital strategies to make money online. If that's something you're serious about, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on notification because I drop content that can literally change your income level. Let's talk about the experiments. Rules of the experiments. Before I get started, I set strict rules. Rule 1, I would use AI tools for almost everything. Yes, that's what I did. Rule 2, I would only step in when absolutely, underline the word absolutely necessary. Rule 3, I will track results, honestly, no fake hype. And I want to ensure my results are consistent with what I expect. The goal, to see if AI can realistically help someone build an online stream. What business I chose? I decided to test this using a simple online model: content plus digital monetization. Creating content, building traffic, and monetizing through simple method. Why? Because this is something anyone watching this video can actually do. Let's get into the setup phase. I used AI to generate my business ideas, pick a niche, and create content plans and also write scripts. So what does it literally mean here? It means for every ideas that I want to create for my business, I use AI to generate that idea. I also picked a niche. A niche can be finance, can be anything. Like for me, I picked AI tech as my niche. And I also created content plans and I wrote my scripts. So all these are my setup phase by which I used AI for. What would normally take for me days, AI did it in hours. And here's the first problem. The content felt generic. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't great either. And that's when I realized something important. AI is powerful, but it needs direction. If you're enjoying this experiment so far, hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people. And if you want more real breakdowns like this, subscribe to Baba Ken Academy YouTube channel. Week 2, the execution phase. AI handled writing scripts for me, generating ideas, optimizing titles, and I followed through with posting. Now, the optimizing titles was something I actually used with AI so much because I wanted something that would work. At first, nothing happened. Low views, low engagement. Honestly, it felt like it was a waste of time, but I didn't stop because consistency is where most people fail. Week 3, the breakthrough came. Then something changed. One piece of content started gaining traction. More views, more clicks, more engagement. And here's what I noticed. The content that worked was the one I slightly edited. Not fully AI, but AI plus human touch. That's when it clicked. AI doesn't replace you, it amplifies you. Week 4, the results started coming in. By week 4, I started seeing actual results, not crazy money, but real progress. Traffic increased, engagement improved, and I began to see the potential. Here's the honest truth. AI didn't build a fully automated business for me, but it made everything faster, easier, more scalable. What worked and what failed? I'll be discussing that with you right now. What worked? Number 1, speed. Number two, idea generation. Number three, content structure. And what failed? Number one, fully automated content. Nah. Number two, zero human inputs. Of course. And number three, expecting instant results. Here is the biggest lesson from this experiment. AI is not a magic button, it's a tool. And like any tool, your result depends on how you use it. If you rely on AI completely, you get average results. The real lesson. Here's the biggest lesson from this experiment. AI is not a magic button, it's a tool, and like any tool, your result depends on how you use it. If you rely on AI completely, you get average results. But if you combine AI plus strategy plus consistency, you can build something powerful. So here's my question for you. Would you let AI run your business for 30 days? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to do a follow-up video where I break it down exactly how to build an AI-powered online business step by step, drop it in the comment section. Just drop AI business. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Baba Ken Academy for more content on AI tools, making money online, digital strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.